Right, I've decided to inspect the cam chain on this car, bite the bullet. Now, you told me that the guys who changed the clutch said there were loose bolts. Well, I've not touched this yet, and there are loose bolts, and there's some on the other side as well. That's just part of it. Don't know what's going on here, but we're going to take the gearbox off, inspect the cam chain to make sure there's nothing that is untoward. So we've got the engine out, and now we can obviously get to these parts very easily. So we're going to put the new water pump in, change that pulley. But around here, now this isn't us, this is the guys who did the clutch. They didn't tighten that up. And there was another one, I think. They're down there, that's loose. I've not touched this yet. So they're saying that we haven't tightened stuff up. They're as bad at it as allegedly we were. This is your oil drain from the turbo. The seal's gone on that. I'll put a new one on there. Right, so I've got the gearbox off, and this apparently is a new clutch. Well, it might be a new clutch. It's not a new flywheel. There's a lot of play in that, I'd say. So the timing chain cover is off. This tensioner looks, well, it looks gone, distended. It looks like it's gone too far. I can't believe after such a short time this chain is stretched, but it certainly looks that way, doesn't it? So it looks like that guide, if you look at that area there, that's what this tensioner pushes on, and it starts to disintegrate. So it's not far away from actually, maybe if that becomes out, we lose that piston, this becomes not tensioned, and the chain will, well, it loses a skipper tooth and they'll snap, won't it? But that doesn't look good. I'm very disappointed by this as a chain kit, because it should last longer than this. And this is our new tensioner, and that's the old one. So that's become distended to the point, look, where it's not really doing its job anymore. New chains are in. What a difference on that tensioner. So that's nowhere near as distended as it was. The new tensioner's in there. We're not torqued up yet, but timing cover goes on. Got to torque this up, and then we will time the top, but back together soon.